So guys, today start na ang registration ng SIM card for Globe, Gomo, and of course, TM. In this video, I'll be walking you through how to register your prepaid and postpaid sa Globe, and of course, sa kanya prepaid brands like Gomo and TM. So, how about simulan natin? Hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So first up, papakita ko sa inyo ito message sa akin as postpaid subscriber. As a Globe postpaid subscriber, your data and information are deemed included in our platform. We'll get in touch with you at a later time to confirm and or complete your registration details to align with the requirements of the law. So basically, wala kang gagawin if you're a postpaid subscriber. If kailangan kang kausapin ni Globe for further details, they will send you a message. But as of now, wala kang gagawin for postpaid subscribers. So, eto naman sa prepaid subscribers. So guys, nandito na tayo sa page ng SIM card registration for Globe Prepaid, TM, and Gomo SIM. So, all you need to do is just, of course, enter your mobile number here. But, of course, in a few weeks' time, I guess, SIM card registration will be available sa Globe One pretty soon. So, step 1, verification. Fill out the form, and you're done. Ganun kadali lang naman siya. Then, kunin muna natin ang ating OTP. So guys, right now, simulan natin mag-register ng ating Globe Prepaid or TM or Gomo na SIM card dito sa registration page ng Globe. So I'll be putting the link on the description box below. Just check it out. First of all, just enter your mobile number. So after mo mag-input ng your number, just click register. Now, magsisend siya ng OTP PIN. So just wait for it. So right now, nakuha na natin OTP PIN natin. So just encode this 6-digit number to this one. Kung hindi mo na-key in siya within 5 minutes, mag-expire siya and you need to ask for another OTP again. So, sometimes it might be a little bit congested. So, medyo kailangan mo mag-antay lang talaga saglit. Basically, what you need to do is fill up everything dito na tinatanong sa'yo. First name, middle name, last name, suffix, birthday, kasarian, nationality, kung ano registration type mo. Then, of course, bahay mo, address, and of course, ang iyong zip code to proceed. If tapos na kayo, just hit next. After nito, hingin sa'yo, type ng ID mo, ID number, photo of your valid ID, then of course, take a selfie. So, ang type ng ID ko is driver's license. Lalagay ko muna ID number ko. Then, upload a photo. So, after mo kumuha ng photo ng yung license and of course, taking a selfie, click next. So, after that, just agree to everything, then submit. After that, your registration is now completed. After na yung successful registration sa Globe na prepaid, ito ang matatanggap niyong text message. Hi, we're happy to inform you that you have successfully registered your prepaid SIM dito. So, for any question regarding SIM Registration Act, you can visit this page. So guys, basically, na-walkthrough ko na kayo so how to register your na-walkthrough ko na kayo kung how to register your Globe Postpaid, Globe Prepaid, TM, and of course, Gomo SIM dito sa ating video. And if you feel this video that is helpful, please share to your friends na naka-Gomo SIM, naka-Globe, and of course, naka-TM. It might be helpful for them, lalo ng mga medyo newbie and medyo hindi masyado gamay on how to register their SIM card. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, of course, click that bell icon para hindi na miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?